Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to the course on Stata that helps you better understand the Stata commands for summary statistics and estimation analysis. In this video, we will examine how to combine datasets. There were two types of combinations. One is appending and the other is merging. Appending datasets adds observations to existing variables. On the other hand, merging datasets is a different manipulation. It adds new variables to the dataset. Let me show you these two types of dataset combinations today. First, let's create the datasets from the keyboard. The command input allows us to type data directly into the dataset. We create a dataset called odd.dta. And another dataset called even.dta, and save them. Each dataset has two variables, the ID variable and the number variable. They contain 3 observations each. We will append the dataset now. That is, we will add observations to the existing variables. To append the datasets, we use the append command. We open the first dataset, odd.dta. Then we type append using, followed by the second dataset's name, even.dta. Let's look at the new dataset. There were 6 observations now. The number of variables is unchanged. There were 2 variables in the new dataset, the ID and the number, the same as in the 2 old datasets. The new dataset has 6 observations, the sum of observations in the 2 old datasets. This is what append means. Let's move to the other type of dataset combination, the merge operation. We use the merge command. Suppose we have a dataset containing income information for each individual, and we have another dataset containing demographic information of the same individuals, such as their ages. We can combine the datasets using the merge command. To merge datasets, we need a merge key variable, which is usually the identification of the individuals. The merge key variable must be in both datasets. The ID variable is the merge key variable in our example. It is a common variable in both datasets. To merge the datasets, we use the merge command. Let's take a look at the help information of the merge command by typing help merge. There were 4 main types of mergers: one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. In our example, we use the one-to-one merge. We open the first dataset, which is called the master dataset, the income dataset in our example. We type merge one-to-one, then the ID variable, using the age dataset age.dta. Let's execute that. We see in the result window that one of the observations from the using dataset was not merged. We can list the data and we find that 5 individuals have both income and age information. Observation 6 is not successfully merged because it has a missing value for income. Stata creates a new variable, _merge, which stores the information on which observations are successfully merged or not. It is equal to 3 if it is successfully merged across both datasets. Today, we have learned two types of dataset combinations. One is to use the append command that adds observations to the existing variables. The two datasets contain the same variables. Another is to use the merge command that adds variables to the master dataset. A merge key variable must be available in both the master and the using datasets. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next topic. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.